Hi, I'm Rachel, and I'm here to help a group that is woefully neglected: men. Yes, I said men, and more specifically, high performing men who are going through or have gone through a divorce or serious breakup and who are really struggling with self doubt, loneliness, and uncertainty. Nearly 70% of all divorces are filed by women. And in most of those divorces, the man is painted as the villain, and usually the only villain. He's controlling. He's emotionally unavailable. He's lazy. He doesn't listen. Maybe he's even narcissistic. There are so many resources out there for women. Men are completely underserved when it comes to getting support in relationships and through divorce. They are often left blindsided, confused, and frankly, downright scared about what happened and what's going to happen in the future. I was honestly shocked by how many men are left deeply questioning their own self worth after a divorce or a serious breakup. In fact, I recently had a client ask me straight up, Rachel, am I a monster? Could it be true? You guys, let's get this straight right now. You are not a monster. And this isn't your fault. To get through this, to move on, to regain your confidence and rebuild your sense of who you are, there are just 5 things that you need to learn. This channel is dedicated to helping you learn these 5 things. Here's what they are. You need to learn how to confidently handle painful and intense emotions, to trust yourself and prove to yourself that you are a good person, to let her go and finally get closure, to create success in future relationships. Here, guys, we are talking about laying out a clear roadmap, understanding exactly what went wrong and exactly what you need to build, create, and attract successful relationships in the future. And finally, you need to learn how to feel optimistic about the future. And if that sounds like something that's just supposed to happen, it's not. It is something that you do intentionally. If you poke around this channel, you'll see a lot of older resources directed towards women and towards people with depressed partners. Those are from the past, before I realized that you're the ones who really need the most help, because there are just no resources out there for you, at least none that are truly helpful. Those old videos are all staying up because they do help people, and you might even find some use in some of them. My current and future content, though, is all for you. That's 2 new videos every week, released on Tuesdays and Saturdays. So let's get started. If you don't want to wait for the next video, if you're really ready to get clarity, rebuild yourself, and move on confidently, go ahead and book a free consult with me right now. There's a link in the video description. Otherwise, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get this done. Thanks for being here with me, and I cannot wait to be part of this journey back to health, back to happiness, and in fact, on to a life that's even better than you could have ever imagined in the past. Let's do this together.